7 money habits that are quietly keeping you broke. Most people don't become broke overnight. It happens slowly, one small decision at a time. One habit repeated long enough becomes a pattern, and a pattern repeated long enough becomes a life. The dangerous thing about these habits is that they don't feel wrong, they feel normal, because everyone around you is doing the same thing. In this video, I'll walk you through 7 money habits that quietly keep people broke, and more importantly, what to replace them with. Habit 1. Spending first, saving later. Most people spend their income first, then save whatever is left. The problem? Nothing is ever left. Wealthy people do the opposite. They save and invest first, then live on what remains. Even setting aside 10% before touching anything else creates a completely different financial outcome over time. Pay yourself first, every single month, without exception. Habit 2. Treating lifestyle upgrades as rewards. Got a raise, new phone, bigger car, better apartment. This feels like progress, but it isn't. Every lifestyle upgrade increases your monthly obligations, and higher obligations mean you need to earn even more just to stay in the same place. Wealth isn't built by upgrading your lifestyle every time your income grows. It's built by keeping your lifestyle stable while your assets grow. Habit 3. Avoiding financial education. Most people spend more time researching a restaurant than understanding where their money goes. They don't read about investing. They don't track their net worth. They don't understand the difference between an asset and a liability. Financial ignorance isn't free. It costs you every single month. Even 30 minutes a week learning about money will separate you from most people within a year. Habit 4. Using debt to fund lifestyle, not assets. There are 2 types of debt. Debt that makes you money and debt that costs you money. Most people only know the second kind. Credit cards for holidays, car loans for vehicles that lose value. Buy now, pay later for things already forgotten. Debt used to acquire assets can build wealth. Debt used to fund a lifestyle quietly destroys it. Habit 5. Waiting for the perfect moment to invest. I'll start investing when the market is better, when I earn more, when things settle down. The perfect moment never arrives, and every month of waiting is a month of compound growth, lost forever. Time in the market will always outperform timing the market. Starting small today is always better than starting perfectly tomorrow. Habit 6. Having no financial goals. Most people have a vague idea that they want more money, but vague wishes don't create wealth. Specific goals do. Without a clear target, every financial decision becomes a guess. With a clear target, every decision either moves you closer or further away. Write down exactly what you want. A number, a date, a plan. Wealth follows direction. Habit 7. Living for today with no plan for tomorrow. Enjoying life is important, but there is a difference between enjoying life and ignoring the future. People who build wealth think in decades, not just weekends. Every dollar spent today is a dollar that cannot work for you tomorrow. That doesn't mean living in sacrifice. It means being intentional, spending on what truly matters, investing the rest. None of these habits are permanent. Every single one can be changed. Starting today, the people who build real wealth aren't smarter or luckier. They simply replace these habits with better ones, one decision at a time. If this video helped you, subscribe to Infinite Wealth for more lessons on building wealth, investing wisely, and creating the financial future you deserve. And remember, wealth isn't built in a day, but it is built daily.